What it do, guys? Back here with my brother.
How's it going?
Now we got the bike set up. Here we got the BMX and the mountain bike. We got the sea suckers for it. So we're about to have a blast. We're about to go head to head, mountain bike versus BMX. We'll see how it goes. Setting up, screwing on the bolts. Gotta put mine on right now. Just put away the sea sucker. I know, we gotta find some that we can do. Now, obviously you don't want to get a torito, so I was gonna say dip down here, but
we could have.
I already know. Willie, woo! Oh, woo! There's some hills and stuff we can hit further this way. Oh. We stopped at this pretty dope spot, I'm not gonna lie. I think I showed you guys last time on the previous videos, but just like almost hitting the sunset just looks amazing, honestly. Relaxing here would be pretty dope. Wait. Right? Honestly, we have to find something, bro. We have to find something. So far, homie's keeping up in the BMX. All right, let's hit it. We have to find a little hill or something. Ooh, we found one. Found one.
That shit was me.
It's all good. All right, let me try. Abraham said that I went higher than him, so he wants to try it again.
That's a fail. BMX takes a 0.
What did you think about that?
Scary, bro.
Really? Oh. I say round 3 for him. Well, I don't want you to biff it, bro.
If I do, for the
no,
vlog.
no.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. All right, you ready? Oh! Bro, I didn't want you to kill yourself, bro. Oh my god.
For the vlog.
You tried. I think you tried too hard, bro.
No, I had to get it better, bro. That's
That was good, though. That was good. No doubt. Let's find the next spot. All right, we're en route. That was a pretty cool spot, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if we can find a different spot. Yo, it's a sign.
Oh my gosh.
Let's try it. All right.
Bro.
It's all good. Woo. Hey, I want you to, Esmas, I want you to try it in this one. Put the BMX right there.
I'm scared.
It's all good. Don't be scared.
Right.
Ready?
What I do? Just go down?
Yeah.
Bro, that's it.
It'll be okay, bro. Keep in mind that the seat is all the way up. You might want to put it all the way down, actually.
Nah.
You good? You good?
No. I'm scared, dog.
It'll be good, bro.
Where am I gonna turn?
All right, you good? I got you. Don't think about it too much. Hey, I told you to bring a helmet.
Not good.
Kyle. That wasn't that bad. See? Alright, BMX. I don't know why I feel like this is gonna be like one of those fails, but just wait. Here goes nothing. Alright. Oh! Oh! Alright, the sun's going down. A little bit. I mean, it's not that bad. You can try it with the BMX. You ready? Alright, don't go kill yourself.
Is there anyone coming?
Hold up. No, you're good.
BMX cannot do that.
Oh! Nah, let's leave it. You want to do it?
Let's hit it.
You want to hit it?
Yeah.
Alright. So you're going to try and jump it. Please be careful. I'm going to follow you with the bike, right? Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Ready whenever you are, bro. Alright, let's see what BMX can do. Oh! Kyle, go, 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 go. I'm on your tail. I'm on your tail. Down. Oh. Too dope. Ooh, ooh. Oh, please don't kill yourself. Alright, we'll see what we can find. Oh! Pull. Oh! Ooh, look at this view, guys. Yo, you guys. Oh man, I'm out of breath. If you guys watched the previous videos, you guys recognize this spot where me and the kiddo stopped actually. It looks pretty solid from here, bro. Just ran over these people. Up behind you. Excuse me.
See what could do better, BMX or mountain bike. Here we go.
Slow. We hit it hard, bro. Honestly, bro, I suck. But let's try on the BMX. Oh! Bro, I swear, you good?
Yeah,
how does that feel?
It feels good, dog. It's just an adrenaline rush.
Alright, bro, I gotta try this, bro. Guys, excuse my hair, but let me see if I can do it with the BMX. Oh! Don't do stupid shit. Mom's gonna kill me. Whew. Alright. Okay. Oh, what a little hill here. I want to find a little ramp, honestly.
Right here?
Oh! Not gonna lie, bro, for being a BMX, you can get it, dog. That's what's up. I give that to the BMX, no doubt. Alright. I love these little turns. Vente pa acá. Alright. Woo. Oh, damn. Water break. That was a good run. Sucks that we're losing sunlight and the GoPro is really not built for that, but it's all good, peeps. We'll wait for the Hero 9. Hopefully that has better ISO. Other than that, guys, enjoy the ride back home. We about to time lapse this shit. Ready? Let's go. Alright, guys, make sure you guys like that button. If you guys like this sort of content, well then subscribe. Alright, peace. Oh wait, nah. Guys, I just want to say that wearing a helmet is very important.
I got it.
That's a hat, brother. Wearing a helmet, guys, is very important. So if you guys watch this video, just know that he did not wear a helmet, and that was not my fault. All right, so just pretend he wore a helmet the whole trip, the whole trail, and have fun, guys, and hope you guys liked the video.